Good morning, students. This is my new next session of online class. In today's online class, I will continue the chapter 8 cell structure and functions. So, students, today I will discuss the topic cell organelles, and in this cell organelles, I will discuss lysosomes. Lysosomes are vesicle-like or bag-like structure which is filled with digestive enzymes. These lysosomes are very important for the functioning of a cell, and it have so many functions. Now, functions of lysosomes. Firstly, lysosomes are known as soldiers of the cell. Students, you all know the function of soldiers or role of soldiers in our country. Like soldiers, they also protect the cell from harmful bacteria or germ cells, and the vesicle containing acidic substance sum together. To continue the function of lysosomes, lysosomes also known as suicide bag of the cell. What is the meaning of suicide bag of the cell? Lysosomes are vesicle-like structure which are filled with digestive enzymes. Students, when any antigen or germ come to the cell, they burst and digest the germs and microorganisms. So, due to the bursting, they dead and known as suicide bag of the cell. They prevent the cell from microorganisms or germs by digesting them. Now, these are also known as waste disposable system. In addition to its next function, lysosomes also known as waste disposable system. Students, you all know what is the function of waste disposable system. So, like these lysosomes also clean the cell by dissolving or digesting waste. Students, these are the diagrams which show the bursting of lysosomes. These lysosomes burst like it and engulf or absorb the waste material which is present inside the cell and destroy it with the help of digestive or hydrolytic enzymes which are present inside these vesicle-like structures. So, students, after this engulfing the waste material, they digest or absorb whole cell and death of the cell occur. So, students, this is not a question of worry that the whole cell is destroyed or dead, because all cells has a tendency to regenerate or producing themselves, because cells have division of labor. Due to the tendency of division of labor, cell divide itself and then grow up. So, students, previously I will discuss the cell organelle, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. In today's online class or in today's session, I think you all are understood with the cell organelle, lysosome and the functions which are performed by it. So students, thank you and continue again.